वहीं लोकसभा में एनसीपी रुकने पार्लियामेंट सुप्रिया सुले ने मईशत, बेरोजगारी और कोरोना से दरपेश चैलेंज की जानिब हुकूमत की तवज्जो मबजूल कराने की कोशिश की। उन्होंने कहा कि दुनिया के बेशतर मुल्कों की सूरत हाल ऐसी है, लिहाजा ऐवान में मईशत, बेरोजगारी और कोरोना से पैदाशुदा सूरत हाल पर बातचीत होनी चाहिए।
Speak here in these challenging times. I'm very happy to see that even if we don't have question hour, but the Honorable Finance Minister is present here. I think the biggest challenge right now in the country is the state of the economy and the unemployment. So I really would request and want to raise that from the state that I come from is probably fighting the toughest battle of the pandemic. And we are having many challenges on the economic front. And our state has been immensely following up with the central government to get more help in reviving the economy of our state and getting some projects going. So I urge the Honorable Finance Minister, I think the first day what we should have debated today in Parliament is the state of the economy, the pandemic and the challenges for unemployment. And this is a global scenario. I do understand that we are not the only country going through it, but I think that should be the priority of the government, and I don't see this government at the center talking extensively either about the economy or the unemployment challenges. So I would like to highlight and request that we should put it on priority. Let's leave all our other issues aside and first talk about unemployment, which is a rising issue in this country, and the state of the economy, and how is this government going to fix it.